great thing. Okay? You might find it the same. I like it very much because it doesn't give all the information at one time, and especially if you are a new marketer and you're not used to things online, and you need to learn a lot of things, obviously. It's not good to get all that information in 1 hour and then try and put it into practice. So what Anthony has done actually is take you by the hand, step by step, through this program. As you can see here, there are sessions, and each of these sessions are broken up into modules. Okay, very nice, step by step. Like I said, it's really, and between sessions is 24 hours. You cannot complete the whole thing in a weekend, for instance. He wants you to take your time with it and build it slowly. The benefits here is when he's doing each module, there are different products that you might want to use in your business. There's some you really need to use in your business, and some just for whatever you need to do in your business. The benefit of this is that when you get that product, you can put your affiliate link into the area, and the next person who comes along who joins your business or who's interested in building the business with you will purchase that product, and you will get the benefit from that, which I think is really great, because he could have done that, for his own benefit only. So he's building your multiple streams of income at the same time as he's giving you the information of how to build your business. And I think this is really a great way to learn and to start benefiting right from the beginning. There are many things that he gives to you for free. He does use a product called ClickFunnels, and I'm not sure if you are aware of this product or not, but it is to make funnels, to make web pages and things for you to build your business. The problem with this type of thing is it is so vast. You can do so many things with it that when you purchase a product and you open it up, there's nothing there really that shows you what to do next. I mean, there are steps. They do have education and whatever. But what Anthony has done, he has already made funnel pages and everything for you, so that you can just start using it immediately. Then you can go slowly, learning as you go along, which I think is really fantastic. Okay, I must say that in the couple of weeks that I'm into this now, it's given me a new appreciation for all the things you need to know when you are doing your business, when you are starting your business online, and to try and minimize the things that you can fail on. He gives you step-by-step instruction. Do this, don't do this. Do this, remember to do this, which is phenomenal if you're busy building a business online. Okay, so if you need any more information about this course, there is a link in the description below. Click it and you'll get more information. If you like what I'm showing you, and I'm planning to make more videos about different other products that I'm using effectively and that is suggested to me, I will do that, and I'll keep you updated when I release those videos. Take care. Have a good evening. Bye.